Welcome to City Quiz channel. If you're gearing up for the MDCAT entry test, you're in the perfect place. Our channel is your ultimate companion for comprehensive MDCAT preparation. We've already uploaded 7 valuable videos, and now we're excited to bring you our 8th video, focusing on the physics section. In this video, you'll dive into a series of expertly crafted quizzes designed to test and boost your physics knowledge for the MDCAT. These quizzes will help you pinpoint your strengths and areas that need improvement, giving you the confidence to excel. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Watching the full video will provide you with the maximum benefit, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Watching the full video will provide you with the maximum benefit, so make sure to stay tuned until the end. Don't miss out on any of our essential content. Subscribe now, watch the full video, and join us on the journey to MDCAT success. Together, let's conquer the MDCAT and achieve your dreams of becoming a top doctor. Let's get started and master physics for the MDCAT together. And move to our quiz.
Question number 1. The turbine in a steam power plant takes steam from a boiler at 427 degrees Celsius and exhausts into a low-temperature reservoir at 77 degrees Celsius. What is the maximum possible efficiency? Option A, 50%, option B, 40%, option C, 60%, option D, 70%, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, 60%. Question number 2. At high temperature, the proportion of wavelength radiation increase. Option A, AM radio. Option B, long radio. Option C, shorter. Option D, both A and C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, shorter. Question number 3. When the drag force is equal to the weight of the droplet will fall with option A, high speed, option B, low speed, option C, certain acceleration, option D, constant speed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, constant speed. Question number 4. What is the reason of less deviation of alpha in a magnetic field compared to beta? Option A, alpha is charged particle, option B, alpha is heavier particle, option C, alpha is neutral particle, option D, alpha is lighter particle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, alpha is heavier particle. Question number 5. Light year is a measure of option A, distance. Option B, time. Option C, intensity of light. Option D, velocity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is a distance. Question number 6. The sensitivity of a galvanometer can be decreased by option A, increasing magnetic field, option B, increasing number of turns of the coil, option C, increasing band ratio, option D, decreasing length of couple C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, decreasing length of couple C. Question number 7. Which of the following is the most ductile? Option A, glass. Option B, copper. Option C, cast iron. Option D, high carbon steel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, copper. Question number 8. When a lift is accelerated upward, the apparent weight of an object in it will be option A, equal to its real weight, option B, less than its real weight, option C, greater than its real weight, option D, 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, greater than its real weight. Question number 9. If length of a spanner is I and a force F is applied on it to tighten a nut such that it passes through the pivot point, then torque is option A, 0, option B, FF, option C, FL sin theta, option D, FL sin theta lambda. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is a 0. Question number 10. Factor upon which change in internal energy of an ideal gas depends? Option A, change in volume. Option B, change in temperature. Option C, change in temperature and volume. Option D, path followed to change internal energy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, change in temperature and volume. Question number 11. Which one of the following is a postulate of kinetic theory of gases? Option A, molecules do not exert force on each other. Option B, the size of molecules is much larger than separation between the molecules. Option C, a finite volume of gas consists of a very small number of molecules. Option D, the gas molecules are not in random motion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is a molecules do not exert force on each other. Question number 12. A simple harmonic oscillator has a time period of 10 seconds. Which equation relates its acceleration and displacement x? Option A equals minus 2x. Option B, A equals 2 pi slash 10, superscript 2x. Option C, A equals dash 20 pi, x. Option D, A equals dash 20 pi, superscript 2x. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, A equals dash 20 pi, superscript 2x. Question number 13. A wire is stretched by a force F which causes an extension increment L. The energy stored in the wire is, option A, F increment L, option B, 2F increment L, option C, 1/2 F increment L, option D, 1/2 F increment L superscript 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, 1/2 F increment L. Question number 14. The drag force decreases as the speed of an object moving through fluid. Option A, increases. Option B, decreases. Option C, remains constant. Option D, both B and C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, decreases. Question number 15. An object having spherical shape of radius r experiences a retarding force F from a fluid of coefficient of viscosity eta when moving through the fluid with speed v. What is the ratio of retarding force to speed? Option A, 6 pi eta r2 6 backslash pi backslash eta r caret 2 6 pi eta r2. Option B, 6 pi eta r2 backslash frac 6 backslash pi backslash eta r squared r 26 pi eta. Option C, 6. Question number 16. In LED, when an electron combines with A underscore during forward bias conduction, a photon of visible light is emitted. Option A, high voltage. Option B, photon. Option C, hole. Option D, positron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, hole. Question number 17. Apparent weight of a man inside a freely falling lift, if mass of man is 80 kilograms and g is 10 ms-2. Option A, 900 N. Option B, 0. Option C, 800 N. Option D, 700 N. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, 0. Question number 18. Force in terms of base units is expressed as, option A, kgms2. Option B, kgm2s2. Option C, kgm2s3. Option D, none of these. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is a kgms2. Question number 19. The vertical velocity of ball thrown upward with time. Option A, decreases linearly. Option B, remains constant. Option C, doubles. Option D, decreases parabolically. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is a decreases linearly. Question number 20. The ratio of tensile strength to tensile strain is called, option A, modulus of elasticity. Option B, bulk modulus. Option C, Young's modulus. Option D, shear modulus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, Young's modulus. Question number 21. The consumption of energy by a 60-watt bulb in 2 seconds is, option A, 20 J, option B, 120 J, option C, 30 J, option D, 0.02 J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B 120J. Question number 22. If a force of magnitude 8N acts on a body in direction making an angle 30 degrees, its x and y components will be, option A, fx equals 4 square root 3 and fy equals 8, option B, fx equals 8 and fy equals 4 square root 3, option C, fx equals 4 square root 3 and fy equals 4, option D, fx equals 8 square root 3 and fy equals 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C. Fx equals 4 square root 3 and fy equals 4. Question number 23. What is the torque about O? Option A, OP, F tan, option B, OP, F, option C, OP, F sin, option D, OP, F cos, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, OP, F sin. Question number 24. If the mass of the bob of a pendulum is doubled, its time period is, option A, halved, option B, doubled, option C, unchanged, option D, increases 4 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, unchanged. Question number 25. Which of the following has the highest resistivity? Option A, germanium, option B, silver, option C, copper, option D, platinum. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, platinum. Question number 26. First law of thermodynamics under adiabatic conditions can be mathematically written as, option A, Q equals W, option B, Q equals increment U, option C, Q equals U plus W, option D, W equals increment U. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is D, W equals increment U. Question number 27. The image of an object placed inside the focal length of a convex lens will be largest and clearest when it is at the, option A, less than 25 centimeters, option B, near point, option C, greater than 25 centimeters, option D, infinity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, near point. Question number 28. A pipe varies uniformly in diameter from 2m to 4m. An incompressible fluid enters the pipe with velocity 16m/section. What is velocity of fluid when it leaves the pipe? Option A, 64m/section, option B, 32m/section, option C, 8m/section, option D, 4m/section. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, 8m/section. Question number 29. When the dimensions of both sides of an equation are equal, then the equation is said to be, option A, simultaneous, option B, homologous, option C, instantaneous, option D, quadratic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is B, homologous. Question number 30. The cobalt is absorbed by, option A, bones, option B, skin, option C, liver, option D, thyroid gland. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Correct answer is C, liver.